I'll guide you through how to take notes with Obsidian. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing obsidian.md in the address bar and hitting enter. Once the home page appears, look for the button that says Get Obsidian for Windows and click it. You'll be taken to the Downloads page. Here, select Download for Windows and wait a few moments while the installer file downloads to your computer. After the download is finished, locate the installer in your Downloads folder and run it. Follow the on-screen setup instructions to complete the installation process. Once installation is complete, open the Obsidian app on your desktop. Now that you're inside Obsidian, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the New Note button. Start by giving your note a title, and then feel free to begin writing anything you want. That's it. You're ready to take notes in Obsidian.